Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is congruence of triangles. So we have already completed the exercise 7.1 and we are proceeding exercise 7.2, in which we have discussed question number 1 yesterday, and I told you to try question number 2. In question number 2, if you want to show that triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. Now in question number 2 it is given that triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN, then we are supposed to find the corresponding parts which are equal, that AR will be equals to second part, that is RT will be equals to, and the third part AT will be equals to. Now for such type of questions we don't require the figure, we can assess from the name only. AR means first two letters, so first two letters here, that will be PE, because AR PE. RT last two EN, then AT first and last, so first and last here, that is PN. So we can assess from the name of the congruent figures, congruent triangles given. From that only we can assess the corresponding parts which are equal. So like this you are supposed to proceed. If angle is there, the same thing you can do. If the question is like that, that angle T will be equals to angle N, last T is last, so that will be equals to the last angle, that is N. So after that the B part and C part you are supposed to try by yourself. Afterwards we will move towards question number 3. And that question, first of all the figure is given, figure is like this. Figure is like this, and the naming is AM, P, Q, and this is also given that this angle is equals to this angle and this side is equals to this side, and the table is also given there. So in that table we have to show triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. So for that steps are written there, steps and reasons. So first step is PM is equals to QM, and second one is angle PMA is equals to angle QMA, and the third one AM is equals to AM, and fourth one triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. For that we are supposed to supply the regions. So PM is equals to QM, PM is equals to QM, that is given in the figure. So we can write given PMA, angle PMA is equals to QMA, that is also given in the question. Now AM is equals to AM, AM is common in both the triangles, so we will write common, and afterwards triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. By which criteria we are supposed to mention that in front of that statement. So, which criteria we are using here, that this side is common, that side is equal, and the including angle is also equal, that is given. So, the criteria we are supposed to use, that will be side angle side, side angle side. So, this is the criteria. So, like this we are supposed to proceed the question. In this question they have explained in a good manner how to proceed, how to prove the triangles congruent. We are supposed to collect the information which corresponding parts are equal, and we are supposed to supply the reason for that. At the end, when we got the three things which are equal, then we can say that triangles are congruent, and when we are writing that the triangles are congruent, in front of that we are supposed to supply the particular criteria, which criteria we are using. As side angle side we are using in this question, so we have mentioned side angle side. So, this is the perfect method how to proceed the questions. After that, in question number 4 we should read, in triangle ABC and PQR, angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. So, one of the student is saying that these two triangles are congruent by the criteria angle, angle, angle. Whether it is true or false? Yes, it is false. Why? Because there is no such criteria in which if the corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles will be congruent. No, because we have discussed the 5 criteria of the congruency. First one was side, side, side. Second one was side, angle, side. Third one angle, side, angle. Fourth one angle, angle, side, and the last one, that is RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, and side. There is no criteria in which we if the triangles are equal, then that triangles are congruent. If the angles are equal, then triangles are congruent. AAA is not a criteria for the congruence. That's why that statement is false. Afterwards, question number 5, in the figure two triangles are congruent, the corresponding parts are marked. We can write. Now the figure is given in question number 5. One figure is that triangle like that, and the name is RAT, and the second figure is given like this. The name is ONW, and the corresponding sides have been marked. So, we have to write that triangle RAT will be congruent to triangle. The name of the triangle we have to see. So, here all the corresponding parts are equal. So, as angle R is equals to angle W. So, we will write first W, then A. Angle A is equals to angle O. So, we will write O. Then angle T is equals to N. So, we will write N. So, this will be the answer. So, from the angles only we can assess that which angles are equal. So, the sequence will be same. First angle here R, which angle is equals to R? W. Then second A, which angle is equals to A, that is O. Third one, which angle is equals to T, that is N. So N will come here. So the answer will be triangle RAT will be congruent to triangle WON. Sorry. So like this we are supposed to proceed the questions given in this exercise. I hope that you have understood. First of all, you are supposed to repeat the questions which we have done today during this video. Afterwards, you can try the upcoming questions, and if you are facing any kind of problem or if you are having any doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. At the same time, after completing the work, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number so that we can maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the regular basis. Thank you very much.